Hello students. तो आज के the topic of this video is Calcutta University Law Entrance Syllabus, where I will be discussing the syllabus of legal GK and legal reasoning. আমাদের মনে রাখতে হবে that we are sitting for a law entrance exam. So obviously legal GK is very important from the exam perspective. So this video is divided into 3 parts. ভিডিওটা 3টে ভাগে করা হয়েছে. In the first part of the video, I will be discussing the best available book যেখান থেকে আমরা legal GK প্র্যাকটিস করব কিংবা কভার করব. Second part of the video, number of expected questions from legal GK, মানে কতগুলো questions আসতে পারে from legal GK. And third part of the video, I will be discussing the 15 most important topics of legal GK which you must go through before sitting for any law entrance exams all over the country. So let's start off. So number 1, the best available book in the market for legal GK, and right now an image is visible on your screen. তো বইটার নাম কি? Universal's Legal GK. This is one of the best book available in the market, and at the same time you can purchase it in online mode via Amazon, Kinba, Flipkart, and the price of this book is approximately 450 rupees. ঠিক আছে? Next, number of expected questions. আমরা জানি that the entrance exam is of 100 marks, and from this year onwards I personally expect that there will be 100 questions. Each question will carry 1 marks, total 100 marks. তাহলে from legal GK I am expecting that there will be 15 to 18 questions from legal GK as well as legal reasoning. দুটোকে combine করে I expect that there will be 15, say 18 খানা questions from this portion. And the third part of the video, which is the most important part of the video, is 15 important topics which you must cover for legal GK. Number 1, landmark judgments kinba case laws which have been pronounced by the Supreme Court of India. Jemni, regarding the Indian Constitution related একটা খুব important case law আছে, Keshavananda Bharati versus State of Kerala. So এরকম important case laws, precedent case laws you must have knowledge of. Number 2, important amendments of the Indian Constitution. মানে amendments মানে কখন কখন কনস্টিটিউশনটা পাল্টানো হয়েছে. For example, 42nd amendment 42nd amendment of the Indian Constitution is very important, which you have to cover on your own if you are doing self-study. Nahole, if you are already my student, then you know how to proceed with legal GK. Number 3, doctrine of separation of powers. Mane, there are 3 organs of the government: legislature, executive, judiciary. তো 3 জনের আলাদা আলাদা কেমন functions, all these things you need to know. Number 4, alternate dispute resolution, মানে ADR, মানে out of court settlement by arbitration, conciliation, negotiation and mediation. তো এই সবের কনসেপ্ট গুলো কি? Number 5, fundamental rights. There are 6 fundamental rights enshrined in part 3 of the Indian Constitution. Very, very important. Number 6, Directive Principles of State Policy, মানে DPSP, Part 4 of the Indian Constitution, Article 36 থেকে Article 51. Number 7, Fundamental Duties, Part 4A of the Indian Constitution, Article 51A. Very, very important. Number 8, the emergency provisions laid down in the Indian Constitution. মানে there are 3 types of emergency: national emergency, state emergency and financial emergency. খুব ভালো করে এইগুলো দেখতে হবে। নাম্বার 9, লোক আদালত অ্যান্ড ফ্রি লিগাল এড, very important. Number 10, the constitution of the Supreme Court and the High Courts, মানে সবচেয়ে পুরনো হাইকোর্ট কি, what is the name of the oldest high court in India, what is the constitution of the Supreme Court of India, who is the Chief Justice of India right now, who was the first female judge of the Supreme Court. All these questions are very very important. Number 11 হচ্ছে writs. Writs মানে when are writs issued? WRITS. Writs are issued when there is a breach of your fundamental rights. তো 5 ধরনের writs কি কি? You must have knowledge. Number 12, legal maxims. ঠিক আছে, legal maxims are very important for your entrance exam. Number 13, Attorney General of India and Controller and Auditor General of India. তার সঙ্গে you must have in mind that Attorney General of India is the first law officer of the country. This question can come for your entrance exam. First law officer of the country কাকে বলা হয়? Attorney General of India. Number 14, appointment, qualification, removal and powers of the President of India and the Governor of India. And number 15, Constitution of the Election Commission. Article 324 দেখতে হবে, Article 326 দেখতে হবে of the Indian Constitution. আর তার সঙ্গে আর কি আসতে পারে? From legal reasoning there will be questions based from IPC. IPC থেকে একটা প্রবলেম তুলে দেবে and you have to understand which is the correct option. So in today's video I have discussed the entire syllabus of legal GK and legal reasoning. I have discussed about the book which you must follow if you are planning to sit for any law entrance exam in the country, and I have also discussed about the 15 most important topics from legal GK. তার সঙ্গে in case you are not a part of my free WhatsApp group, definitely go to the description box of this video. Description box এ যাও, you will find the link of the WhatsApp group. Stay in the WhatsApp group for your benefit. You will be having access to important current affairs every morning, plus important updates regarding the Calcutta University Law Entrance Form Fill-up. কবে থেকে form fill-up procedure শুরু হবে? All these updates you will get in the WhatsApp group only. And along with that, a new entrance batch for the ICSE board and CBSE board students are going to start from April 2024, যেই মুহূর্তে your exams will end. Thank you. Namaskar.